spectra. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, so let's on the first slide. In this slide I have spectrophotometer. Ions is necessary. Okay, which exist in gaseous phase. Okay, so first of all, any solid or liquid material, first of all this generates the ions. Okay, and these ions will be separated according to their molecular weight. Okay, after that they will be detect. Okay, and characterize. Okay, here you can see it is gaseous phase. Okay, so ion will be only detect in gaseous phase according to their relative mass as a function of charge. Okay, mass as a function of charge means m upon e ratio. Okay, it is talking about that. So the requirement was the sample be able to vaporize first, and but modern ionization technique allow the study of such non-volatile molecules as protein and nucleotides. Okay, but in this time in modern technology, what happens here? Non-volatile molecule. So the technique there is very powerful for both qualitative as well as quantitative tools. Okay, routine analyzes the perform down to the femtogram, sorry for that, level as low as gemtomole level for proteins. Okay, so it is the some quantities mentions for minimum requirement of samples. Okay, of all the organic spectroscopic techniques, it is a more divergent field, and it is applied in several applied as well as core areas such as metallurgy, molecular biology, semiconductor, geology, archaeology than any others. Okay, so it is very important tool. You can see there are large areas of sciences in which it used for that purpose. Okay, so come on the again where you can see mass spectroscopy. So it is, it mentions that it is not true spectroscopy. Okay, because if you compare from any other spectroscopy in which they require the adsorption like radiations. Okay, so in this there is no adsorption of any radiations, only molecule separation and characterization takes place. Okay, it is very techniques and is applied for determine the compounds molecular weight and detecting the presence of bromine, chlorine, nitrogen atoms in a molecule and structure determination. Okay, and two things happen in mass spectrometry compound is first vaporized in vacuum and then ionized. Okay, then masses of ions are detected and graphs. Okay, so all this point I have covered in the first slide. Okay, so you can see this is the mass spectrophotometer. Okay, three part is very important. First is ion source. Okay, in which molecule will be injected, and it will be second one analyzer. So according to their molecular weight, compound will be analyzed. Okay, and it will move towards the detector. Okay, so after ionization they generates the molecular ion fragments and it will be detect, and a graph will become between the intensity and m upon e. Okay, I have mentioned there this one. So first sample will be ionized, then plot intensity with mass upon e comes. Okay, three part of this instrument is very important: ion source, analyzer and detector. Okay, so mass, this is mass fragment converted to molecular ion and neutral and positively charged fragments. So volatile sample first, you can consider the points, but important point is this one. Okay, so I have added for your understanding in a better way. This is like a computer system in which some sample first of all introduced, then ionization takes place. After ionization and separation method takes place, it will be detectify and graph will be comes between the intensity and m upon z ratio. It is the mass spectrometer. You can also see the whole parts you can see. Okay, but three part is very important: ion source, analyzer and detector, and this one graph. Okay, so if you see, suppose that you added, it will be breakdown. Okay, so breakdown into radicals and carbocations. Okay, so these molecular entity having own m upon z ratio. Okay, so by which you can identify. Okay, so the cations are selected towards analyzer, which separates them based on their mass, m mass to charge ratio. Okay, neutral fragment are not detected. It is very important point. So introduction to mass spectroscopy, some parts is remaining. A mass produces spectrum to mass based on the structure of a molecule. Okay. So x-axis of mass spectrum represent the masses of ions produced m upon z. Okay, you can see this one m upon z, and this is the I. Okay, intensity. Okay. The y-axis represent the relative density of each ion produced. The pattern of ion obtained and their abundance is characteristics of structure of particular molecule. Okay. So the different masses will be produced. Okay. A smaller masses, suppose you want to identify a complex molecule. So so here you can say molecular ions will be generated. Okay. So according to okay, so you can identify. Okay, so suppose that you introduce the methane molecule. Okay, so m upon z is 16 here. Okay, after CH bond breakdown, so what happen here? Radical sign cations is generated. Cations, this will be generated. Okay, so 15 other peaks may be 12, 13, 14 upon fragmentation of these hydrogens. CH bond, you can say single bond. Okay, so according to this, these spectra can be generated. Okay, and there are some m upon z values of particular molecules. You can concentrate on this. Okay, so okay, so I think you will be understand regarding the mass spectra. Okay, this molecule, suppose that, so first of all cs3 will be released out and generated cations and radicals. Okay, so these fragments having a particular values. Okay, so you can also see other examples. Suppose that this is the acetophenone. Okay, you can say paracetamol. Okay, so first of all this molecule will be converted to NH2 and NH, this one. Okay, after that then this CH3CO molecule will be degraded. Okay, so this will produce various type of molecular entities. Okay, this is very complex molecule, and I have mentioned that I have cut these points, and these are the important peaks of this molecule. So if comes, then you can identify that this is present, this compound is you can identify this compound by the help of these molecular entities. Okay, this one is also you can identify the main peaks. Okay, so fragment will be this molecule will be in will be generates these 55 and 70 peaks. It is the major peaks. Okay, so you can identify this. There are other techniques. There are actually, it is advanced technique, you can say, in which mass LC is also included. Okay, means attached with MS. And if any spectrophotometer attached from any means if two spectrometer attached one another, you can say, then you can say hyphenated technique, a term involve hyphenated. Okay, so by which double advantage takes place. Okay, so it is the okay. So thank you for watching this video, and please write down your comment in the comment box if you have any queries regarding this. Okay, so please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you.